Bobby says, John Myerson, thanks, he spelled my name right. What about when the magnets are larger than the woofer when you have to invert it? Yeah, that's another issue, and here again, it's all in the design of the speaker, and I know exactly what you're talking about. If this magnet was too large, it wouldn't fit through the hole. There is another way to do it, though. You could actually mount it from the backside, but you'd have to take the box apart. It all depends on the magnet structure, the way it's designed to work for the speaker. You can have the magnet be too big for the woofer. Once again, if you put too big of a magnet on a speaker, you actually lose output. So as long as it's designed properly and you can focus that magnetic energy into that gap, the more efficiently you can do that, the smaller the magnet has to be or can be, so you can get the same performance. But a lot of it out there, I know a lot of guys, in fact, I saw a comment a little bit earlier, so, bigger magnets are better, they're louder because they're bigger. That's not necessarily true. I've seen several videos online where a guy will pull out a stock speaker out of the door versus an aftermarket. And look at the difference in this. Look at that puny little magnet versus this one. This one's so much better than that one. Well, maybe not necessarily, because that other one obviously was a neo magnet. And if it's properly designed and you've got a big ceramic magnet speaker like this and it's not, the little smaller neo magnet driver will definitely outperform a poorly designed larger magnet motor structure. So great question though, Bobby, but it's all in the design of the speaker, how that magnetic energy is focused into that magnetic gap, and the type of materials used. And once again, neo is absolutely fantastic material, but the downfalls are it's greatly affected by temperature, especially over 80 degrees Celsius. It's actually a lot more brittle. It shatters a lot easier. It has to be plated, and there's a cost, increase by using neo. And of course, there's a whole fact that almost all neo is controlled by China. So if something happens in the world market where they're no longer our friends, that's really going to affect the neo market, which is why they're going to start making neo right over here a mile away from us. So great question, Bobby. Thank you for that.